Thank you for joining us today. My name is Dr. Clay Pavlis. I am the Medical Director of Midwest Specialty Clinics. I want to talk to you about a problem that you've probably been hearing about in the news lately, the opiate epidemic and narcotic overuse in this country. This has received national attention, local attention, and is becoming increasingly problematic for those around the entire country. There's over 20,000 deaths a year from opiates or narcotics. By opiates, I mean morphine and heroin and any prescription medication you might receive for pain management, Dilaudid, Percocet, and these are often misused, and you may find yourself with this very problem. Midwest Specialty Clinics specializes in addiction treatment. We receive special certification for a medication called Suboxone, which I'll talk about more later. I became involved in this when a good friend of mine had a minor surgery. She found herself taking more and more of her pain pills over time and became addicted to that. She ended up using multiple pharmacies, multiple providers, and this professional, intelligent woman all of a sudden found herself in need of some desperate help and found herself in treatment. With our help and the help of others, she's been narcotic-free for over 10 years, and she's doing very well. So I'd like to talk to you about signs of addiction. With regard to opiates, you might find yourself maybe overusing your prescription. It often begins very innocent after some procedure or some injury that you might have sustained. You might have received a prescription for a narcotic and then found yourself overusing this medication, maybe using it for things other than pain. And over time, you might find yourself even being dishonest with your providers or being dishonest with pharmacies or using multiple providers to obtain these prescriptions or using them longer than you were supposed to. Over time, you do build up a tolerance, and so the same amount of the medication doesn't give you the same effect, so you end up using more and more of that. This can then cause people to purchase that from other people or even steal that from other people. So if you find yourself doing any of those things, you certainly, almost certainly have a problem. We here at Midwest Specialty Clinics can help. I'd love you to call and become one of our patients and be evaluated for this issue. We can try to steer you in the right direction. We have multiple options as far as medications or counseling or even recommendations for 12-step services, and would love to hear from you.